Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we'll learn that how to use mirror feature in SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. Okay. So for the mirror, we will be need a solid geometry or feature, or that may be face. Okay. So that's why I've already created the body, feature, and faces. Okay. So let's do it. Click on mirror, then it is asking for the mirror face or plane. Okay, so I will select the face, then it is asking feature to mirror, face to mirror, body to mirror. We will do these one by one. Okay, so and this secondary mirror face plane we will do it. Okay, also, so let's start with the feature mirror. Okay, so we will click here, then we have a feature. These cut I have created in the one feature. Okay, so if we will click on this, you know, now here you will select the plane because the face is in not center, that's why it is going outside of the body. Okay, so we will click on mirror here, sorry, plane here. Okay, so now you can see your feature is mirrored. Okay, then we will go back in edit feature of the mirror, then we will do, we will delete here and we will do by faces. I want this face to mirror about this plane. Okay, so plane I have selected already. Now I will select the faces in this box, select here and then select the faces like this. Now your face is mirrored already. Okay, so you can use the mirror by face like this. Okay, so now we'll again go in edit feature of the mirror, delete these features. Now we will do by body. Okay, body is not showing here because for this we mirrored the feature and faces, so there is no body. That's why it is already, because you know, we have come back in the mirror feature of the feature face and face feature. So click on OK, no, click on cancel. For the body mirror we will do again in the mirror, then we will select this face and select body to mirror. Body is this, we have selected, and the mirror done. Okay, so click on this. Now it's done. The body is also mirrored. Okay, so some features are remaining in this mirror. We will go in edit feature. Okay, merge solids. Which body we are mirroring about this plane, we cannot merge because it is, there is distance between these body. We can merge that, then the faces merge with this, like this face, it will be this face. Now you can merge these like this. You merge solids. Okay, you can see this, it is merged. Okay, now we will go again, edit feature of the mirror. Okay, now it is knit surfaces. Knit surfaces, it's mean we can do this, we can use this feature with the surfaces. Okay, there is no surface, so same just like bodies, we can knit the surfaces. Okay, so proper visual property, it doesn't affect the mirror. Okay, so full preview and partial preview, you are already know about this. Click on full preview, you can see the preview, and you can on click on partial preview, you can also see the preview. So no effect on this. Okay, so that's the way you can mirror the feature by face, by body, and by feature. Okay, now we will go again, edit feature of mirror for the mirror seed only. Okay, now we will use mirror seed only. How can we use this secondary mirror face? Okay, so now we'll click unmerge this feature and delete this face. We will click this face. Now we will use this second feature. Okay, for the secondary mirror face or plane, we will select this plane. Okay, now you can see in the preview the mirrored body also mirrored here, but we don't want the mirror here, only we want this body mirror here and here. Okay, so now we will click on mirror seed only, like this. You can see in the preview it is removed. So just like this you can use the mirror feature. Okay, so it is done. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video and comment also, and subscribe my channel for more videos like these. Okay, thank you.